Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone and carrier actually support eSIM activation. This prevents wasted steps later. Check the exact model and firmware because older builds can lack eSIM stacks. Once done, call or use carrier chat to confirm your account is eSIM enabled and the plan allows eSIMs in your region. While on the call, disable any active physical SIM or note the IXID. Removing the physical SIM can stop automatic network locking during the eSIM import. Now you import the eSIM profile using the carrier's QR code, activation code, or manual SMDP plus address. Choose the method your carrier provides because mismatched methods fail. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data since the phone downloads the profile during activation. If the import stalls, retry after toggling airplane mode. Once the profile report's installed, restart the device to let the modem register properly and to clear any cached network states that could cause the SIM not supported error. Finish by assigning the eSIM as your default voice or data line and enabling roaming if the plan requires it, because inactive assignments yield service errors. Next, update carrier settings and install the newest OS patch to ensure compatibility between carrier profiles and modem firmware. If you still see SIM not supported, ask the carrier to reprovision the eSIM or supply a new activation code. As a last resort, backup your data and perform a factory reset. That often clears provisioning conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.